Informational interview presentation by Olivia Babuka. The career that I focus on is a school case manager. The person I interviewed, her name is Krista. I met Krista my junior year in high school. Before her, I had another school case manager who fortunately moved up in her work. Krista is a bubbly person who loves working with children. She herself has a 2-year-old daughter and wants to have another one this year. Krista's main job is skill-based assistance in helping pre-K through 12th grade students with things like coping mechanisms, communication skills, anger management, community resources, peer relationships, and school advocates and coordination. This all really includes the students' families as well. Krista has a public health bachelor's degree where she is focused mainly on population needs and varieties of settings. Krista said that some skills or traits you need for this profession is to be open to flexibility in various personalities and family structures, and to not be judgmental. Krista's main responsibility in her current position is to provide support and skill building with students, coordinate with all employees within the school district, and to also connect resources out in the local community as needed. Krista's job involves 50% of paperwork and 50% of direct clinical interactions. So the paperwork meaning that she takes notes after she meets with her students and families, and direct clinic interactions is when she's meeting with them one-on-one. Her job schedule is Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., but this is where flexibility has to come in because you may have to work past 3:30 p.m. Krista handles emotional difficulty situations by utilizing her support and guidance from coworkers and to consult with her supervisor. Krista wished she knew these things before her profession was that high rates of burnout and turnover in her field, and that the salary range. How she manages stress is saying that self-care is highly important to her. So by taking walks, getting coffee and dinner with her friends, and spending time with her family. Krista said the most challenging area in her career is communication barriers between families and a provider. Since she works with students in school environments for the most part, she really only meets parents' guardians over the phone instead of face-to-face. Krista's most rewarding aspect of her career is seeing the success of students she has, no matter how big or small the accomplishments. So things like graduating, getting accepted in Maplewood, and passing a test. Krista says the most common misconception in her field is that they are looking for a reason to report families to CPS, which is not the case. The only way for them to report to CPS is if there's a certain criteria that she is seeing the student or family has. Advancement opportunities and professional development that Krista could take is additional college coursework, training to help expand her knowledge in clinical settings, and her next step would becoming a licensed social worker to where she could diagnose students if they have depression or anxiety. Advice that she would give me is to utilize resources from college, be in talk with my advisor, research jobs in the field that I want to be studying so I can find out where I want to be post-graduation, and to utilize my connections for job opportunities where available. Lastly, this is a career that I really do see myself pursuing after graduation.